lovelies, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today I have an exciting video on some affordable liquid lipsticks. I placed an order on a site called Karity for 3 liquid lipsticks. They were $6 each, and shipping to Canada was $8.50. The shipping only took 7 days to reach to me, which is not bad at all. I also found a discount code for 10% off, and I'll be sure to link the website down below and also the code, because you never know, maybe it will still work for you, so give it a try. The site is purely cruelty free, which is great, and they even have some products that have vegan status too. These liquid lipsticks are cruelty-free and vegan status, which is fantastic. The 3 that I got are Lucky, Soho, and Rockstar. And it's just a doe foot applicator. Doesn't smell too fantastic. This is what the box looks like. Here are the swatches on the back of my hand. So this one is Lucky, Soho, and Rockstar. Now time for the lip swatches. I'm gonna start with Lucky. It's very smooth. Come off really easily. This is just a makeup wipe. Oh, I'm happy with how easily it comes off. Lips aren't too badly stained, but now I'll try Rockstar. I didn't think I'd like this one, but I actually like it. It's pretty. This one's a little tougher to come off. Oh yeah, not as easy as Lucky. And the last one is Soho. It's a little streaky. I like this one. Ooh. I think you can guess which one is my favorite. It's definitely this one. I love it. That's everything to my video. If you have any of these Karity liquid lipsticks, let me know which ones you have down below, because I might want to order some more. And also tell me which one of these is your favorite on me too. I'd like to hear that. If you have any other questions, pop them down below. I love to see your comments. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, push that red button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you soon. Bye!